Hello everyone, this is Joe Amato, Vice President of Residential Design. I am here at the Mannington booth 1309, right here in Services Trade Show in Las Vegas, New Jersey. And I am excited to be here. If you can tell, our booth is very, very crowded, and we're here to show all of our new products for 2018. So, whether you're selling flooring or you're in the market to buy flooring, this is the place to be because you get to see all the hot new styles and trends that we're showing today in all of our flooring products, whether it's hardwood, laminate, sheet vinyl, or LVT. So the most important thing to know right now is style defines the home. The most important thing. So when you're looking to buy a new home or to remodel a home, it's your style, your taste that's really going to make a statement in the home. And what better place to start than what you're putting on the floor today? So you might ask the question, what are the hot trends? What are the hot styles today in the home around flooring? Well, you're seeing all of the new styles, patterns, colors, and formats right here today on the show floor and surfaces in booth 1309. So let's talk a little bit about what we see coming down the road. I'm sure you've heard this term eclectic. What does that mean? Well, that basically means you can take many different styles, whether it's rustic, contemporary, traditional, and you can feature them independently in a room, or you can mix them together. So what's happening with rustic today? Well, rustic, as you can see on the floor right here, can still be very rough. It's mixing of species, mixing of shapes and sizes. This is a new product we're coming out with called Chart House. You can see on the panel on the floor, and it's a beautiful LVT design in our new Apex, Adora Apex line. And that really defines rustic, but that doesn't mean rustic isn't changing. Rustic is becoming more refined. So if you can swing around here, you can see that this character oak today definitely looks different, but it's still in the rustic category, and we feel that that's still very, very important. What else is happening? Well, contemporary is another hot style today, but contemporary is becoming more livable. So whether you're looking at very modern or very sophisticated looks, contemporary plays a big part of that as well. Then the other part is traditional. And if we can swing around here, some people may not want to go very contemporary or very rustic, so you have basic looks of oak and hickory, but done in a way to make your home very luxurious. And so if you look at all our products today, you're finding all of those looks in so many of our categories. And I know it's tough here, there's a lot of people, but that's because we're all excited. We're excited to see what's happening in Mannington. The other big story in terms of styles and trends is formats. And what I mean by formats is, what's the size of wood planks today? How long are they? How wide are they? And we're seeing a change in that marketplace. So we know that planks that can go up to 7 feet long, up to 8 inches wide, that's becoming a standard size today in the home, long and wide. But we're also seeing formats in chevrons, in herringbones, in smaller widths. So, we're giving the customer today the ability to make their home unique, to make it a showplace, and to really coordinate not just with what's happening in the room, but with all the many styles in furniture, in cabinetry, and so color and texture plays a big part of that as well. And I got to tell you, every time this year, this is kind of like Christmas for me, because when you see all the beautiful products come together in one location and you see the excitement of all of our customers here today, it's a great feeling. And so, take a look around, come to booth 1309 and experience it. Hey, ask for me and I'll give you a personal tour. So great. Again, this is Joe Amato, Some Styling, saying goodbye. Enjoy the day and hope you had a great time. Thank you.